Some templates treat the first block in a blog post differently to add extra flair to its layout. These are called promoted blocks. Depending on the template you're using, a promoted block can be an image, gallery, or video block. Every template has its own way of displaying promoted blocks, but in most cases, the block displays above the post title. Let's get started. Navigate to your Pages panel and then select your blog page. In the blog panel, click the Edit button next to a current post to edit it, or click the plus icon to add a new post. Blog posts will have a text block or a markdown block as the first block by default. Click the insert point above this block to add a promoted block. I'm using the Wexley template, which lets me use an image, gallery, or video block as a promoted block. I'll go ahead and add an image block for this example. After adding your promoted block, finish the post and save your changes. You can then preview your post to see how your template displays your promoted block. The way the promoted block displays depends on the template, but all templates will present posts with promoted blocks differently than posts without. If you don't like how promoted blocks look on your site, you can disable them. From the Home menu, click Design, and then click Advanced. Check Disable Promoted Blocks, and then click Save. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.